Is your Tesla Model Y showing the wrong time? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the time zone and clock settings on your Model Y, ensuring accurate timekeeping. We'll cover both automatic and manual methods. Your Model Y primarily uses GPS to automatically detect and set the correct time zone. This happens when you start the car or cross into a new time zone. Ensure your car has a clear GPS signal for this feature to work correctly. If you're in an area with poor signal, like a tunnel or parking garage, you might need to adjust the time manually. To manually change the time zone, tap the car icon on the touchscreen. Then navigate to Controls, Display, Time and Date. Here you'll find a Set Time Zone option. A drop-down list of global time zones will appear, allowing you to select the correct one for your location. This overrides the automatic GPS setting. In the same Time and Date menu on your Tesla Model Y touchscreen, you can adjust your clock display preferences to match your personal style. Choose between a 12-hour format, which displays times with AM and PM indicators, or a 24-hour format for a military-style clock that runs continuously from 00 to 23. Additionally, you can adjust the date format displayed on your screen for further customization, such as changing from month, day, year to day, month, year. These display options allow you to personalize how time and dates appear on your Tesla's interface, making it more intuitive for your daily use. Sometimes the automatic time zone update fails, particularly in areas with weak GPS signals or during software glitches common in pre-2024 models and after updates. When this happens, the immediate solution is to manually set the time zone through the vehicle's touchscreen settings. For additional troubleshooting, check Tesla forums for known bugs related to your software version and potential temporary fixes from the community. Daylight saving time transitions can occasionally cause glitches in your Tesla Model Y's clock system. When DST begins or ends, the automatic adjustment might fail, requiring manual intervention. For example, if the clock doesn't change from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. during DST start, you'll need to adjust it manually through the touchscreen settings. To manually adjust, navigate to Controls, then Display, Time and Date, and select Set Time Zone from the drop-down menu to choose the correct zone. Tesla typically releases over-the-air software updates to handle DST changes automatically, so keeping your vehicle's software current helps prevent these issues in the future. Looking ahead, Tesla is working on integrating AI to predict time zone changes based on your driving habits. The system will learn your travel patterns and automatically adjust the time zone before you even notice the need. Watch how smoothly the time transitions as AI predicts and adjusts, no manual intervention required. The value tracker here demonstrates the seamless update from one time zone to another. Future software updates may eliminate manual time adjustments altogether, offering a seamless, zero-touch experience where everything happens automatically in the background. This is part of the broader trend towards increased automation in electric vehicles, where AI handles more tasks to create a more user-friendly driving experience. In summary, changing the time zone on your Tesla Model Y is typically a simple process, thanks to GPS synchronization. However, knowing how to manually adjust the settings is crucial for those rare instances when the automatic system fails. By following these steps, you can ensure your Tesla always displays the correct time, keeping you on schedule. Thanks for watching.